Not gonna lie, guys. The wind's making those dead pines pretty sketchy up here. Oh, and they're just everywhere. Like, here's another one. 2, 3 dead pines. Massive trees. But the wind's making me think those ones are gonna fall or break. I don't have firewood to cut. And it's all around me. Dead standing pines. Oh, the challenges. That's all good. I'll get her done. I got a load ready to go down the hill. I'd like to work on another. But, like I said, those old trees, they're scary. I don't know if you can hear that creaking, but when the wind blows, a little intimidating. Be safe, everyone, and have a good day.